Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of my new Google Pixel 8 Pro. I decided to get one, and since it's not available in Malaysia and I'm currently in Singapore, I ordered it from Shopee Singapore and it arrived today. I got the bay color in 128 gigabytes. So yeah, let's open up this box that it came in. And sorry for the slightly different unboxing setup. I don't have my ring light and I don't have my phone adapter with me, so I'm actually unboxing this using my Sony ZV-1 that I have not used in a very long time. But yeah, so let's open up the box. Okay, so this is right on top, and the rest of the box is just bubbles, or bubble wrap if you will. Okay, so let's put this aside. Here is the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Let's take a look around the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box we have Google Pixel 8 Pro and a back picture of the phone. On the left side of the box, Google. On the right side of the box, Pixel 8 Pro. And on the bottom we have the barcode, serial number and all that stuff. On the back, at the top it says Team Pixel. And right here we have the color, model description, what's inside the box and all that stuff. Okay, so to get inside the box there are actually two tabs, right here and right here, that you pull. And let's do that. Okay, so once we lift the top up, put it aside, and here we have the Pixel 8 Pro itself. It does look quite nice, and I do like the back of the phone. Put it aside. Further inside the box, right up here we have a pack, which I believe would be the quick start guide and that. Nothing else up here, but right here we have a USB-C to USB-A adapter to transfer data from other phones and whatnot. And here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's it for what's inside the box. Okay, so the sticker that's on the display at the moment explains the location of items on the phone. We have the SIM card slot right here. We have the fingerprint sensor right here. USB-C port is down here. And to the right we have the volume buttons as well as the power button. Okay, so let's take off this layer and do our first boot up. Okay, so I don't think the phone is charged at the moment, so let's plug it in. Okay, so a battery icon popped up. Okay, so I plugged it in, battery icon popped up, so the phone does not have battery, but now it's booting up. Okay, so welcome to your Pixel. I've chosen English United Kingdom. I don't need any accessibility options, so get started. Set up using another device. Skip. Connect to Wi-Fi. Let's just pick the Wi-Fi. Okay, so apparently the hotel's Wi-Fi is not secure, so I just turned on the hotspot on my phone and let me just enter the password. Okay, so the password has been entered. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Checking network info, checking info, checking more info, sign in to my Google account. Let me just do that. Okay, so I've added my Google account. It's asking me if I want to add a phone number. Skip. Welcome. I agree. Connect to mobile network. Skip for now. Yep. Set a pin. I will be back. Okay, so I've added the pin. Now it's saying set up fingerprint unlock. Okay. I agree. Okay. Let's start. Fingerprint added. Okay, you can also add another one below, and we can also hit next. Set up face unlock. We can do that as well. I agree. How to set up face unlock. Next screen, hold your phone at eye level. Okay. Hello. Okay, it looks good. Done. Copy apps and data. Don't copy. Google services. With all the various options, I'm gonna do off. Use location, allow scanning. Okay. Right, so accept. Limited warranty. There's Canada English, Canada French, Singapore and Taiwan. Since I bought it in Singapore, let's do Singapore. And this is the warranty information. Okay, so next, continue setup. Let's see what it does if I hit continue. Get things done with hands-free assistant. Let's turn it off. I agree. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. No thanks. Turn off Hey Google. Turn off. Anything else? We can do all these various items. No thanks for now. Stay up to date. No thanks. Just a few moments. Getting your phone ready. Swipe to navigate. Try it. Go back. Switch apps. Well done. Done. Ready, you're ready to start using your device. Okay, so that's my Pixel 8 Pro setup. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Google Pixel 8 Pro 128GB in Bay. Thanks for watching and goodbye.